Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and I hope you all had a lovely holiday this past week. We are ready to see what's new and what's restocked for this part of the week at your local Dollar Tree. I was only able to get to 2 stores for this part of the week due to the holiday. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with apparel and accessories. They are restocking their winter hats. Also, they have a few more novelty socks. They had the Miss Piggy again, and then I also found Fozzie Bear socks this time around. I've yet to see Kermit the Frog, but I'm sure he's out there somewhere. Then we have the Disney Aristocat socks. They had some X-Men. I also found these new Power Licks compression sleeve socks. They are unisex. It fits sizes small, medium, large, and extra large. They have some graduated compression socks and the plantar fasciitis socks. Over in the arts and crafts section, they had a few of the beaded wreaths already on the wire frame restocked. They had their wood rounds also restocked and some large wood square palette craft wood. They have the larger 2x1 pieces and some of the Crayola Model Magic in the blue, red, and yellow. Also some storage bins. These are real nice because you can change the compartments around to make them different sizes to fit your needs for your crafts and craft accessories. We have some St. Patrick's Day stickers coming out and some spring wreath forms like the large carrot frame. Also the sponge daubers, those have all been restocked. So have the water brush pens and the squeeze applicator bottles. Those are 2 fluid ounces each. For the baby and toddler section, they really didn't have a lot new there either. There was some new Disney plugins for like night lights. They had some Nickelodeon brand like Paw Patrol. They also had, of course, the Disney Frozen, and there was Marvel Spider-Man. They had more of these little silicone teething mitts for $1.25 and the cloth fabric crinkle page book for baby's first ABCs, also the pacifier holders. I only found them at the moment in the blue, and it says it's for use with stage 2. For the health and beauty, we'll look at some new cosmetics, the hair care items and hair accessories. Also, we'll look at some of the pharmacy and personal care items available. I found more of the modern French Salon Perfect nails. They have them in the neon. There's also the French nail sets. You can see they come in long coffin shape. There's different colors. They also have the gloss finish. You get 24 nails, a nail file, and the professional nail glue. You can see all the different colors that they come in, different sizes and shapes and designs. We also have the Salon Perfect Flash. These, when you see them under the light, they'll have like a lot of shimmer. They had some of the 14 karat gold effect and a bunch of different just designs. Lots of nice ones. I've seen these at like Walmart. I've even seen some of these at Sally's beauty supply store. They had the Salon Perfect Mani to Go sets, and then I found some of the Bottled Sunlight by Clean Coal or Color. They have the bronzer. There's these lip contour kits with the matte lipstick and liner. You get the nude or the bright pink. Then by Clean Color, there's the lip exfoliator with the shea butter. You can see the container that it comes in. It's called Sugar Kiss. I also found some of the liquid blush by Ioni. They have soft pink, rosette, and then there's also this liquid blush called Warm Rose. Then we have some fashion headbands. These are covered in like a winter fur. They have them in the really pretty off-white, this dark blue gray color, also the rose pink. And then we've got these large crinkle headbands with the top knot, and it has the checkerboard pattern fabric. We have it in the rose pink and the caramel color. Also, they have these large headbands with the rosettes on top. It has 3 different rosettes on the top. The rhinestone hair clip looks like some flowers with the gold clip. They have some gemstone barrettes. You can either get the rectangle or the teardrop shape. This pack of 2 hair clips, you have the fashion bobby pins. and the pearl and rhinestone hair clip. There's also this one with the cheetah print and the rhinestones. Then I found this exfoliating stretch cloth by Be Pure. It says it stretches up to 2 feet. There's also the Extra Care Moisturizing Cocoa Butter and Body Balm Jelly Sticks. Some of the Global Beauty Care Fresh and Fruity Exfoliating Toner. They have some Caris First Aid Kits. You get 21 pieces. They come in the tin. They have like Band-Aids, there's gauze, tape, alcohol pads. You can see they come in all different designs. You can get like the astronauts, there's unicorns, just some flower pattern. Then I found these floss basic sticks. You could either get the 20 pack or you can get the large pack for the same price of 100 picks. Also, these chill strips, it says relieve from fever discomfort. You get a 3 count of these chill strips. They have the hot and cold eye pads. You can get the watermelon, the lemon shape. They also had some with the glitter inside. You get the silver or gold hot cold eye pads. For the fun finds this week, just lots of stickers. We have the Sea Life, the Cutie, and the Magical. There's some sparkle stickers. You get 250 stickers in each booklet. And there's some really cute ones in there. So they have the Kawaii style, which are the Cutie. Then there's the Sea Life with the sparkle stickers. And here's a view of some of the stickers that you can get in the booklets. They're all about a medium-sized sticker. There's not a bunch of super tiny ones. They're about average size. Then we have these Nerf surprise balls. You get 9 games in each ball. It says your sports games with gummy candy. Also the Candy Moyo Bath Spaghetti. There's apple scent, which is the orange. The pink one is blueberry scented. And then the lavender, that is the lavender scent. And now for the new home decor that's out, we have these tea light candles with the crystal base. Also these large jars with the cork lid. They come in about 3 different designs. They also had these candle tea light holders. We have the curved photo frames that hold a 4x6 photo and these extra large black planters or vases. They're really heavy and they are black on the inside and the outside, though you do not need to check them because some of them aren't painted real well, but most of them are pretty nice. It was just called Black Big B Vase. They also had these home decor pieces that say blessed, love you most, and always and forever. Also the beaded wood trays. We have the circle one in the dark brown and the oval in the light brown. Now for the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, they have these large 8x10 chalkboards. They also have the Scented Fun 4-piece Centos gel pens. They are in the pastel colors. You can see all the different colors they come in. We have these 2 Novelty diamond pens and some step-up readers. There's the Smithsonian Under the Sea and Trains All Aboard. They have some fun new books called We Are Girls. They have Victoria, Indy, The Incredible Race, Olivia and the Outstanding Fair, and Sophia and the Spectacular Outfit. They also had some joke books for the little ones. There's funny pun jokes and knock knock jokes. For housewares this week, they had more of these bins in the summer colors with the leaf cutouts on the sides. You can get them in the mint green or the light peach, soft pink kind of color. I guess it's more of a melon. They also had these bins with the decorative cutouts in the sides. You can also get those in gray. Then there's the large locker bins. They have those again in the mint, the melon, and the gray, and the large tote bags. These are some vanity organizers by Oasis. You get the 2-pack with the bamboo lid. They also had these Oasis vanity organizers with the gold accent at the top. And now for the kitchen and pantry, I found lots of these tumblers. They look sort of like a Stanley. They're very light, so they won't keep your drink cold for very long, but they had them in pink, blue, green, and red. Also, we get the 24 neon mini cups. They're like a shot glass size and some really bright neon colors, more of like a summer color. Also some ceramic magnets like bless this or this house believes. They also had this one that says choose joy with the boho theme. He makes everything beautiful with the flower pattern. Draw near to God and he will draw near to you with the Bible verse and a cross. They also had these large cross magnets with different Bible verses and sayings on the front. And they had quite a few different ones. This one has a beautiful floral pattern, and this one just says John 3:16, also with the floral pattern. There are quite a few of those, and they had the flour sack towels. There's good food, good mood, fresh brewed. They also have one that has like hedgehogs and mushrooms on it. I also found some new home collection lemon decor. They had the every day is a fresh start with the lemons and blue flowers, and one that doesn't have any words on it at all. The Disney Mickey Mouse 12 pack of reusable ice cubes. The ice cubes are in red and black Mickey Mouse heads. For the party supplies, just really some gift bags. Over by the birthday items, they had pink and blue, white and black with different color foil dots. They also had some new wine bags in the red, silver, or blue. And these party essential table runners, you can get them in the silver or the gold glitter. There's also these little tumbler cups that look like stars with the straw, has the cover for the top of the straw, and the disco ball tumblers. For the pet care this week, really just a bunch of toys for the little furry friends. We've got these large squeaky toys. They have some that look like Kool-Aid packets. Also, they had more of the Heinz tomato ketchup and mustard, the large jet puffed marshmallow. A lot of these have like a rope attached. They also had the 2-pack of pickles. Those also squeak. The seasonal items, they do have some Valentine's Day items starting to make way. We have a bunch of the gnomes. There's the 2-piece of the gnome picks. I'm not sure if these are from last year or not, but this is what they have out so far. There really wasn't a whole lot new to choose from just yet. They had these glitter foam picks that have the hearts. Also these wooden picks that say love you. I believe there is 4 in that packet. You could also get the You Grow Girl. There's 4 in that pack. And love you very much. Again, some of these could be from last year. I know some were new with different tags on them, like these tinsel XOO and love signs that you can see here. They had their candy kind of like gumball machines back in, and the candle holders that look like hearts in pink, white, and in red. And these are the ceramic candle holders. They had these out last year as well. Here's a view from the top. Then there is the heart-shaped muffin tin. They had the rosettes. You get 6 pieces of the foam roses. You get them in the light pink. They also had the darker pink. You can get them in lavender. They also have them in white. And they have them in red. They had a few wall decor pieces out. I found this sign that says love with a pink bow. Also this round one that says hello, love. And then love lives here. They also had some more of the tinsel hearts. This is a large tinsel heart in red or in pink. It does have a pick on the end, so you can use them in a flower arrangement. Then they just had out some ribbon. I found a few of the ribbon with the heart cutouts on the center, and then the kind of decorative edge. They had their velvet ribbon in red, black, light pink, dark pink, and white. I know they had these out last year. They also had the pom-pom garland out. There's the all pink. They have all red, or you can get the pink and red mixed together. So here's all 3. I believe you get 1.3 yards of the pom-poms. Then these are some rosettes that light up. They have an LED light. These were the only thing I saw new so far this year. They have a red, a pink, or a white rose. And they all have the LED lights in the bottom. I also found the beaded heart wreath form. They have the large foam hearts in the pink and red restock this year. Also these gift basket bins that say hearts and hugs. The red one says love you always. They brought back this one that says love. This is a little bit more square shaped, or rectangular shaped, I should say. And then the red one that says love you always. They have these bins back in with the scalloped edge lid. We have the black, white, and pink hearts. They also have the XOXO with the hearts in the pink. All of these seem to have red lids. They brought back these champagne glasses with the hearts on the sides. There's also the stemless plastic wine glasses that say XOXO love. One that says be mine with the heart with an arrow through it. They also have the felt hearts with the laser cutouts. And then the Dollar Tree Plus section. They brought back these wood palette signs that say be mine Valentine, welcome, and you are loved. They also have the extra large wood blocks that say different things on each side, like hugs and kisses and sweetheart. The large love signs with the burlap and galvanized metal. XOXO. Then we had some black slippers with the large red hearts. They also had some large cups that look sort of like a Stanley. These have the checkerboard pattern, or you get the plain finish. They have pink, white, black, purple, red, and blue. Lots of decorative candles. They had like the mulled wide candle that is 14 ounces. Also the vanilla cashmere. And a few others. Those were all $5 each. They have these large red slippers with the non-slip bottoms and some extra large oval plush baskets. So these are like a wicker basket with the handles on the sides, and those are $5 each. That's all for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. We usually post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays and a craft video throughout the week. It's been a little bit different schedule due to the holidays, but we'll be back at a regular schedule soon after the new year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.